More than a uniform. More than a season. More than a highlight. This is Lebanon Valley College Athletics. The Valley is where ambition is tested, where grit becomes habit, and where every rep, every sprint, every sacrifice shapes who we are long after the final whistle. Because here, sport teaches more than the score ever could. It teaches discipline, trust, resilience, leadership, the courage to answer when the moment asks for more. At LVC, we go further in the classroom, in the weight room, and we do more than compete, more than practice, more than perform. This is Lebanon Valley College Athletics.